Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add GoFullPage extension. So let's go straight into it. Now launch Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your computer. What you're going to do next is navigate directly to the official GoFullPage extension page. So this is their official web page. But if I go back and here to the Chrome Web Store, I will see here full page screen capture. Because I'm using Google Chrome. Now click add to Chrome, just like that, add extension. It will take a few seconds to load, just like that. And yeah, now we have it right over here under the extension. So if we go to the extensions here, and you can find it right here, so we can pin it just like that. And yeah, so extension you will find as puzzle piece icon here at the top right corner of your Google Chrome web. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.